To be able to make your work your pleasure is the one class distinction in the world worth striving for. That's a quote from Winston Churchill. Think about the construction projects that you're building at the moment. You know that many of them are challenging, but how many of them are projects that interest you? How many of them do you find pleasure in terms of the project type? And how many of them do you wake up in the morning and say, despite all the issues, I'm excited to go out and to figure out how we can build this project profitably? Finding projects that you're interested in personally is one key strategy that you can employ in order to build a successful construction company. This is exactly what Mark Bly has done. He's the CEO of Dome Construction out of the Bay Area. I just interviewed him for the Construction Leaders podcast, so look out for that interview in 2019. But what Mark's insight is that when you focus on work that you actually enjoy doing or find interesting, it's going to really help you to go through all the challenges associated with any construction project. So take that as a quick tip today. Look at the projects that you're working on, the projects that you're bidding. Ask yourself this question: how many of these am I actually interested in building? And if you're finding ones that you're not really interested in building, perhaps that's why they're not as profitable as they could be. So focus in on your interests, look for work that gives you some enjoyment, and despite all of the challenges, you may find that that really helps you to build much more effective and profitable projects. My name is Eric Anderton. Thanks for watching this video.